Thank you, Ma'am Karen. To our Honorable School Director, Dr. Ronnie A. De La Cruz. To our dearest school principals, for Dolores Academy I Incorporated, Ma'am Melinda Gayalong Gabila. For Holy Trinity School of Obando, Ma'am Eliza Bartolome Geronimo. To our forever supportive school teachers and school administrators, beloved parents, guests, completers, and fellow gatherers, a pleasant afternoon. I have never imagined myself speaking in front of many people. I had difficulty expressing myself, and talking in front of many people was my fear. Kwento ng mama ko, when I was in preschool, ayoko daw ng papaiwan sa school. Lagi ako umiiyak at nagpapauwi sa teacher. Hindi ako masyado nagsasalita. I'm so quiet. Because of this, my mom enrolled me to a speech therapy. Who would have thought that a very timid boy is now here in front delivering his speech? So help me God. Acknowledging corrections and mistakes allows us to ensure improvement and a better life. Acceptance empowers us to become more confident and prepared. It is not about giving up and losing hope, but embracing the journey with love, perseverance, and determination. Of course, having the right people to support us can be very helpful. As we celebrate this important occasion, another milestone has been achieved. Our hearts are filled with happiness and gratitude for all the people who have supported and guided us on this journey. I would like to express my utmost appreciation to all the people who became part of these achievements. To my alma mater, Dolores Academy I Incorporated, our second home that sees and believes in our potential. You have molded us to become an achiever and a person with moral values. Thank you for providing us with great knowledge and skills. To our school principal, Ma'am Lee, thank you for encouraging us to join different academic and social competitions. This helps us enhance our learning and develop our personal growth and healthy coping mechanisms. To my advisor, Ma'am Karen, thank you for guiding us along the way. You're not just teaching a lecture, but also a life lesson. Your positive point of view and love for us will remain with us forever. To Ma'am Christine Domdom, I will never forget the bond we had during our review days for Aprisim and Bulprisa. I gained a lot of knowledge. Your uplifting presence is truly admirable. Thank you, my coach. My experiences during Aprisim and Bulprisa are exceptional. To all the astonishing teachers and dedicated school administrators, your hard work, patience, and positive impact are very much appreciated. We have learned a lot from you. Thank you so much. To my amazing friends and schoolmates, thank you for the camaraderie and support we have shared. I am so grateful for your friendship and kindness. I will cherish the memories filled with laughter and tears. My friends, who are my former classmates from Holy Trinity School of Obando, thank you for remembering me and for the short, wonderful moment we spent. To all the parents, lolo and lolas, and guardians here, a million thanks for your endless love and care for us. Your sacrifices are priceless. To my supportive family and relatives who are always there for me, you have been a constant source of love and support. I am so grateful for your kindness. To my lolo and lola, thank you po sa paghatid, pag-aalaga, and pagsundo sa amin sa school every time our mom is not around. I truly appreciate your love and care for us. To my titoles, Thank you for always helping me. You taught me how to edit videos and pictures. You helped me with my projects and how I create beautiful posters. I learned it from you. I couldn't have done it without your help. Thanks a lot. To my Tita Helen, thank you for your usual support. I appreciate your advice and kind words. It was a huge help. Most especially to my loving parents. Mama, Papa, graduate na po ako ng elementary. Please continue to walk with me as I take the path to my next journey. To the best mom in the world, Mama, I am truly grateful for your countless sacrifices, encouragement, and perseverance. You always believed in me every time I doubted myself. You spent so many late nights studying with me. I will never forget your constant support during the academic competitions. Grabe yung haba mo, but you're still there to support me. You are my number one cheerleader. Thank you so much. To my hardworking dad, I am deeply grateful for your selflessness in providing our basic needs. You are the foundation for building my dreams. I cannot thank you enough. All your sacrifices are worth it. I want you to know from the bottom of my heart, I am genuinely grateful for your endless love and unwavering support. Your guidance lit the path to my success. I love you and I appreciate you so much. Above all, eternal gratitude, Lord, for your boundless blessings, for the strength you're giving us, for the gift of knowledge, and for the opportunity to learn. You have surrounded us with people who are always there for us. I am very grateful for your presence in my life. Thank you for continuing to bless me and all the people who gather here for this momentous occasion. To God be the glory. Let me share this motivational phrase. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says impossible. By one of the British actresses, Audrey Hepburn. Indeed, nothing is impossible. Challenges are difficult but achievable. Madadapa at mahihirapan, pero tuloy lang ang laban. It's fine to make mistakes. Sometimes mistakes are the best teachers. There are no limitations to what we can achieve. If we do things right, everything is possible. To all the completers and fellow graduates, each of us has path to walk. Embrace who you are and have the strength to walk it. Have faith in the growth potential and be the best in all challenges. Find resilience in every obstacle and continue making memories. Facing challenges with unwavering strength helps us thrive. One of Steve Jobs' famous quotes, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." It means to remain curious, continue to pursue knowledge, and be open to new ideas and suggestions. This moment ends one chapter, but the beginning of another. We're heading towards the future. Let's embrace innovations and adaptability. May oras na mananalo tayo at may oras din na matatalo tayo. And it's okay. What important is, we have gained lessons and help us to become the best version of ourselves. Pat at the back, my fellow Doloresians, we did a great job. Congratulations. Once again, I am deeply grateful for everything, to everyone who made this moment possible, and to all the people who helped us. Bless your heart. We would not be here without you. I am Marcus Jacob Palafox Alvamuena from Grade 6 Excellence of Dolores Academy. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all.